Hi everyone, and welcome back to the crypto channel. And don't you just love it? Today, Bitcoin passed through the $57,000 mark. And guess who went shopping for more Bitcoins? Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy. Oh yeah, he went a shopping. He bought 3,000 more Bitcoins. 3,000 at a price of $155 million. Yeah, the ultimate Bitcoin bull, in my opinion, Michael Saylor. He knows what he's doing. He told you it was going to happen, and he is right again. So why is Bitcoin on a tear? Well, we have the halving coming in April, and some of us believe that in June, the interest rates might go down a smidgen. If not June, then September. And I told you this 100 times, Bitcoin is going to pump when the interest rates start to fall. Bitcoin went down when the interest rates went up. When the opposite's going to happen, boy, get ready. Bitcoin went up $6,000 in 24 hours. $6,000 in 24 hours. That's like 12% roughly. And there are still people out there saying, oh, Bitcoin is garbage. It's going to zero. Really? Really? Wall Street seems to love it. They can't get enough spot Bitcoin ETFs out there. Those days are over, thinking that Bitcoin is crap and going to zero. Bitcoin is getting more and more use cases in the real world, including Wall Street and around the globe every day. It's incredible. This is a very interesting time to be alive and to be watching this. I personally believe that Bitcoin could hit $100,000 in 2024. It could, and it could happen pretty fast. This isn't financial advice. I'm not saying it's going to do it. How would I know? So let's just wait and see if it can get to 100,000. But before that, can Bitcoin break through its all-time high up here of $69,000? That's what we're all waiting for. You know, in theory, it could do it in 3 days from now. In theory, the way it's going at $6,000 a day, 3 days from now, we could be up there. I don't know if it will. I'm just saying at this rate. But we will need a lot more volume. Now, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies is called, you know what it's called? DigiByte. Yes, and yes, see my shirt? I bought DigiByte at a penny. I also bought it higher, at a nickel and all the way down to below a penny, And if you look at good old DigiByte's chart, it went up crazy high. Now, 3 days ago, it was trading at not even a penny, just below a penny. And yesterday, it went up to a penny and a half, almost a penny and a half. That's a 50% jump in DigiByte in 48 hours. 50%. 50%. What do we say it was for Bitcoin? 12%? I told you about DigiByte over and over again. And some of you guys mock me like, oh, that old thing, that's forgotten about. Go on Twitter, you'll type in DigiByte. You'll see it's not forgotten about. It is out there. And look at CoinMarketCap. If any of you guys have a CoinMarketCap account, can you stick my video somehow here like this guy's is so that, I don't know, maybe I'll get more views. Maybe I'll get more views. That'd be awesome. So anyway, I told you about DigiByte. You know I did, and a lot of you didn't want to listen. A lot of you just didn't want to listen, so no boo-hooing in the comments. Onward and upward. It ain't over till it's over. We're still, in my opinion, at the beginning, because I think DigiByte will break its all-time high of 18.5 cents. I do feel it will do it. We're still way down here. We're still at the beginning. And so are a lot of other cryptos compared to Bitcoin. They're still low. They're not near their all-time high. Let's look at Shiba Inu. See, Shiba is low, all-time high. Give us our good bull run. It's starting. We'll see what happens. So jump back to DigiByte. Yeah, I still think it's low. I think that we can go up. It moves with Bitcoin. It moves on its own too. And what we need more green volumes down here, and we will get bigger spikes up. I'm confident that we will. Yes, there will be profit taken along with Bitcoin, but if we can keep running up, awesome. For the fun of it, let's draw a resistance line real quick on DigiByte. This doesn't go back all that far. DigiByte's been around for 10 years. Former support becomes resistance. So we have some support here. So I'm going to say at 0.018 right here, we'll have some resistance. So that's our target. almost 2 cents. That's our target. And we'll probably bang our head, turn around, then charge up again. That's how I see it happening. Something like this. I don't know, we could go here, push down, and then up. That's my guess. Can't predict the future. But I like charts. And I like DigiByte. Okay. Do what you want with your money. This isn't financial advice. You lose your money in crypto, it's your own fault. Crypto's tricky. The markets are tricky. Do your research before getting into anything. And it does look like the bull run is on. Subscribe, like, goodbye.